Welcome to the ScreenCast on Transana's text reports. This screencast describes and demonstrates Transana's text-based reports. Transana provides an extremely flexible reporting system that you can use to create a wide range of reports for a variety of different analytic purposes. It is impossible to cover all of the important variations that are possible in Transana's reporting system, so I encourage you to explore each of the reports, and particularly to explore the options available in each report's filter dialog. The first question to ask yourself when thinking about Transana's reports is, what data are you interested in including in the report? Different reports allow you to look at different parts of your data from different directions. If you want information about the raw data files you've placed in a library in Transana, you want the library report. To create a library report, right-click a library in the data window and select Library Report. The library report provides information about the documents and episodes contained in the selected library. If keywords are included in the report's contents, the report will display summary information about the coding applied to the items in the report. Note that the report form contains a toolbar that allows you to edit the report manually, to save the report as a rich text format or HTML file, or to print the report, should you desire to do so. There's also a tool for performing a text search within your report, which can be useful for very long reports. If you press the Filter dialog button on the left side of the toolbar, this will open Transana's filter dialog, allowing you to customize this report. You can alter what information is included in the report's contents, as well as selecting what documents, episodes, or keywords are included in or excluded from the report. If you want information about the role a particular source document plays in your analysis, you want the document report. The document report shows information about all quotes created from the selected document, regardless of what collection those quotes are placed in. This report shows information about how a particular source text file was used in your overall analysis. To create a document report, right-click the document you're interested in the data window and select Document Report. The document report provides information about the quotes created from the selected document. By default, it includes information such as what collection the quote is in, the quote text, and the quote's coding. If keywords are included in the report's contents, the report will display summary information about the coding applied to the items in the report. If hyperlinks are enabled, each quote name will be a hyperlink, allowing you to load the quote in question into Transana's main interface for further exploration. If you press the Filter dialog button in the upper left corner of the report, this will open Transana's filter dialog, allowing you to customize this report. You can alter what information is included in the report's contents, as well as selecting what quotes and keywords are included in or excluded from the report. If you want information about the role a particular source episode plays in your analysis, you want the episode report. The episode report shows information about all clips created from the selected episode, as well as all snapshots linked to that episode, regardless of what collection those clips and snapshots are placed in. This report shows information about how a particular source media file was used in your overall analysis. To create an episode report, right-click the episode that you're interested in the data window and select Episode Report. The episode report provides information about the clips created from the selected episode and about the snapshots that have been associated with that episode. By default, it includes clip information, such as what collection the clip is in, the source media file and its location, the clip text, and the clip's coding. For snapshots, the report includes what collection the snapshot is in, it includes the snapshot itself, and it includes information about whole snapshot and detail coding that has been applied to the snapshot. If keywords are included in the report's contents, the report will display summary information about the coding applied to the items in the report. If hyperlinks are enabled, each clip or snapshot name will be a hyperlink, allowing you to load the data item in question into Transana's main interface for further exploration. If you press the Filter dialog button in the upper left corner of the report, this will open Transana's Filter dialog, allowing you to customize this report. You can alter what information is included in the report's contents, as well as selecting what clips, snapshots, and keywords are included in or excluded from the report. If you want information about the role a particular analytic collection or set of nested collections plays in your analysis, you want the collection report. The collection report shows information about all of the quotes, clips, and snapshots gathered together in the selected collection, optionally including information from nested collections as well, regardless of what source documents or episodes those data items come from. This report shows information about all data items regardless of source that were gathered together for a particular analytic purpose as represented by a collection or set of nested collections. To create the collection report, right-click the collection you're interested in the data window and select Collection Report. The collection report provides information about the quotes, clips, and snapshots that have been gathered together into the selected collection and the nested collections it contains. By default, it includes quote collection, quote text, and quote coding for quotes, clip collection, source media file, clip transcript, and clip coding for clips, and snapshot collection, the snapshot itself scaled to a configurable size, and snapshot coding information. If keywords are included in the report's contents, the report will display summary information about the coding applied to the items in the report. If hyperlinks are enabled, each quote, clip, or snapshot name will be a hyperlink, allowing you to load the data item in question into Transana's main interface for further exploration. If you press the Filter dialog in the upper left corner of the report, this will open Transana's Filter dialog, allowing you to customize this report. You can alter what information is included in the report's contents, as well as selecting what quotes, clips, snapshots, and keywords are included in or excluded from the report. Please be aware that collection reports can grow quite large, and that the larger the report, the longer it will take for Transana to assemble and convert all of the data required for the report. Please be patient when creating large collection reports. If you want information about your keyword groups and keywords, the keyword summary report may be what you are looking for. Please note that this report provides information about your keywords and their definitions, but does not provide information about how your keywords are used in coding your data. If you want information about how your keywords are used analytically, please see the screencast on searches in Transana. To create a keyword summary report, right-click either the keyword group name or the keyword root node in the data window. Select the keyword summary report from the menu. The keyword summary report will display the names, definitions, and default color specifications for each of the defined keywords in the keyword group or groups that are specified. The filter dialog in this instance allows you to select what keyword groups will be included in or excluded from the report. Transana provides two different ways of creating reports about notes. Notes can be included as optional data in the document, episode, and collection reports. That means that you can produce a report that shows all quote notes for quotes from a particular document, all clip and snapshot notes associated with a particular episode, or all collection, quote, clip, and snapshot notes associated with a particular collection or set of nested collections. In addition, Transana's Notes Browser tool provides a variety of notes reports. You can create a report that includes all notes in your Transana database, or only those notes for a particular type of data item. When you open the Notes browser in Transana, you can see a data tree that includes all of the types of notes that you can create with branches for each of the notes of that type. If you right-click a data type, you will be given a menu option to create a notes report for notes of that type. If you right-click the root database node in this display, you are able to request Transana's notes report for all note types. The filter dialog in this instance allows you to specify individual notes for inclusion in or exclusion from the report. Please be sure to watch the screencast on Transana's filter dialog. While some filter dialog options have been discussed in the context of specific reports, there is some very powerful filter dialog functionality that is common to most of Transana's reports that is described in that screencast.